Yeah. Yeah, that does look wrong. Well. Okie dokie then. Those are some tough wires. It's amazing just how rugged power lines can be. I'm also amazed that those haven't, oh, those are the coated ones. Alright, so for some reason, these power lines up top aren't bare like a lot of the overriders are. So I guess that must be why it didn't short out. Interesting. Well, I would say that tree's got to be taken out. Hey, dude. We're not going to continue on our walk. I don't think we want to go any farther up. Well, I know you do, because you don't care about electricity, but yeah, we're not going up there. And I'm going to look up the power lines here, see if there's anything down up here. Nope, everything looks normal. Way up there is where I found those cutters the other day. Because that pole's been replaced. That one, this one right here got taken down in the storm. And this one here got taken down in a storm. And it's bent again. I suppose that's because of that. So it was a little windy here yesterday. There were all sorts of storms going on. We had the big hurricane warnings and everything coming over the TV on the radio. Hey, what are you doing, man? And we got nothing besides, of course, that one tree that's down up the road. And that one tree that's down up the road, that was dead anyways. So honestly, that could have fallen down in a light breeze. It just happened to fall down now. What are you doing, dude? Anyways, I guess that's gonna end our walk. I gotta go call the power company. The dog's disappointed because he likes to walk up to the pond at the very least in the morning. So I guess we'll have to go up into the woods instead. Hey, dude. And there goes National Grid. Thanks, fellas. Their other big truck was up the road. Just working on that tree. And there goes the big truck. Thanks, guys. They showed up less than 20 minutes after I called, so I assume somebody else called. Either that or they are just super efficient. Well, that's better, Ted. The neighbor dragged the tree out of here. I guess he'll use it for firewood. Power company took it down for him. Ted, come here. What did you get into, dude? You look terrible. You were up on the back hill, weren't you? Okay, anyways. Power company got that off the lines. Excellent. I guess he must be coming back up for a few extra pieces here. Yikes. Well, didn't take the pole down. Are you sure that's helping?